How to set up Netgear AX1600 Wi-Fi range extender. First, plug the AX1600 in near your router. Plug it into an electrical outlet in the same room as your Wi-Fi router. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes for the power LED to turn solid green. You only need to do this close to the router during initial setup. Second, connect to Netgear_ext. On your phone or computer, open Wi-Fi settings and look for Netgear_ext. Connect to it. Your device might warn that this network has no internet connection yet. That's normal during setup. Third, open the Netgear setup page. While connected to Netgear_ext, open Chrome, Edge, Safari, or another browser and go to mywifi.ext.com. The new extender setup page should appear. Select New Extender Setup and follow the prompts to create the extender's administrator credentials. Fourth, select your existing home Wi-Fi. The EAX11 will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select the 2.4 GHz or the 5 GHz Wi-Fi network from your main router that you want to extend, then select Next. And then move the extender to the best location. Once setup is complete, plug the extender and move it approximately halfway between your router and the area with poor Wi-Fi. Check the router link LED after moving it. You want a good connection back to the main router. If the connection is poor, move the extender closer. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.